All right, just hit 7 signups in a couple weeks. So if you guys are signing up with LiveGood in my group, I sure appreciate it. Okay, you guys. I like to do the best I can to make video every day, send out emails, post on social media, anything I can do to at least spread the word about LiveGood, the products, and the affiliate opportunity. And then if you are signed up in my group, I'd definitely like to just tell you what I do to get signups. Okay, there's no saturation, there's no competition. Anyone, anyway, in any company that signs up to do online business, I know 90 to 95% are not going to follow through. And I'm dead serious when I say that. I'm not going to blow smoke up your little bums and say that 50 out of 100 people are going to follow through and post and have fun, emailing or even making a little video like this. Cheers, by the way. Oh my gosh, look at how much white hat, white shirt, white little thing, and look, even my teeth and my beard. I just broke the world record on having white in one video. Holy moly. Okay. So what do? What's my routine? Okay. Well, I get up. Usually I have to take a tinkle. Okay. Do you guys have to do that? Ladies too? If you're born in the 60s, yeah, I have to do it like 5 times before noon. So I get up and I usually check my emails right away just to, delete all the spam ones and see if there's anything critical. Is there someone in my group that really is kind of left hanging, or is someone trying to join and they can't figure out how to join using cryptocurrency? Sometimes people just don't realize how simple it is to sign up by just clicking and then going to their email and opening the email from the company that they're joining, in this case, LiveGood. Okay? I've been doing this almost 2 years, and I still, at least once a week, I'd say, people will say, okay, I clicked joincory.com, and now what do? How do I join? Okay? I wish that LiveGood would have something that pops up that says, okay, go to your email now to join. Okay, because a lot of people might get spam, and maybe the LiveGood email goes to the junk or spam folder. Like, let's say if you use Google Gmail, okay? So for those looking at joining LiveGood, if you go to joincory.com, and I'll show you my card, which I use here just on your screen. All right, there you go. If you go to that link, okay, you're going to get an email from LiveGood. Open it up, scroll halfway down, and you can figure it out. Just click. You're going to get your username, your password. You can use Visa, debit card, MasterCard, and yes, through BitPay and a company called iPayout, you can use cryptocurrency. Okay? All right. So please go to your LiveGood email, but you got to remember, you got to put in your name and your email address after you click joincory.com. And I'll show you the little capture page too if that helps you guys out, okay? All right, here is just results. And I want you to see this right here. Do you see that number 42? Okay. This is not accurate, and this is what happens when you get somebody that is Elvis Presley and Lady Gaga and who knows what, but a couple days ago on, let's see, it's February 4th, which is a Tuesday, I had some smart aleck, either guy or girl on planet Earth. They went ahead and they went to joincory.com and they just filled in all these celebrity names. Okay? Yes, I do appreciate Elvis and Rumpelstiltskin, Pinocchio, and some Disney characters, if I remember, pre-enrolled. Okay? So if someone does get a hold of your capture page, which I'm going to show you, and puts a bunch of fake email addresses in, what I recommend you do is get a hold of the LiveGood customer support, which is support@livegood.com. Okay, support@livegood.com. I just wrote them and said, hey, you know what? I got a smart ass. They went in my capture page and they put in a bunch of celebrity names, blah, blah, blah. Can you just block their IP address? Support wrote me back and said, no problem. We can see what's going on. Okay. So in the real world, you can see that I get 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2. Okay. These are people that just go to my capture page and put in their name and their email address. Doesn't mean they've signed yet. Okay. Signed up as an affiliate. Do you see the word upgrade here? This means, yes, they got out their debit card, credit card, or crypto, and they joined as an affiliate. Okay, so to be a member is $9.95 a month. Okay, you can get wholesale pricing on all our goods. The products are awesome, and that's what most people do. And then, of course, if you want to do what I do and just invite people to a link, all right, like Elvis and Disney characters 42 times. Okay, you might get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I've had 7 people sign up in the last couple weeks. I've had about 10 to 15 over the last month or two. And I appreciate you guys if you're one of them. Okay? So now let's just go to joincory.com. Join, joincory.com. Okay. Look on your screen. This is your LiveGood capture page that you get if you sign up with LiveGood. Okay. This is the video that I invite everyone to go to. Okay. So in order, I always advertise, guys, go to joincory.com. This is what my business card looks like. If I send you an email, if you click it, great. And if you watch my video, this link is going to be underneath my video. And on social media, if I reference LiveGood or the products or the opportunity to make money, you're always going to see this, joincory.com. You click it, boom. You come here. I want you to watch this video. It's already made. It's already signed up over 1.8 million people. So please realize, and don't freak out if you think you have to do a video like I'm doing where you share your screen and you're talking to a webcam, because you don't. This video already is perfected. It's a YouTube video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And it's just Ben Glinsky. It's our CEO. He talks about the products, the opportunity, the pay plan, everything. He does it in less than 6 minutes. If people watch this, they're usually interested, and they'll put their name and email here, including Elvis Presley and Pinocchio. And I think I got Godzilla too. Okay. So if you get some fake email addresses, don't worry about it. People just don't want to be on an autoresponder, or they could just be smarty pantses, but LiveGood can block them. Okay, just get a hold, like I said, of support@livegood.com and block that person's IP address. Because no matter what, you're always going to get someone that's a smartass when it comes down to anything online. Okay, so if you're interested in more information, put your name and email, and then click this orange button, and you're going to get 1 email a day from LiveGood that talks about everything. They're great emails, and be sure to keep them, because if you sign up as an affiliate like me, I like to open up those emails and learn from them, and I kind of rewrite them a little bit and send them out to people. Okay, so if you sign up with LiveGood, they have a built-in autoresponder for people that are kind enough to give you their name and email. Okay, then obviously if you want to sign up with LiveGood, join me, put your name and email, click that orange button, and then yes, go to your email, open it up, and wham bam, boom. You guys can get your username, password. Most people sign up for the year. All right. That way you don't have to worry about anything for the next year. It's $40 one time to be an affiliate, $99.95 to get 12 months for the price of 10. So you get 2 free months. Okay. So if you got $49.95, come aboard as an affiliate and you got your first month paid. Okay. $49.95. Boom. If you got $139.95, you got the whole year paid, 12 months for the price of 10. That affiliate fee of $40, guys, that is for life. It's just like one of these bad tattoos I got 40-something years ago. They ain't going anywhere, just fading away. All right? Just like, I guess me. I guess we all got to fade away sooner or later. But, all right, so what do I do to be successful at, yes, getting people to sign up, 7 to 10 people? All right, I've had 7 just in the last couple of weeks. Okay, let's just start over again. Okay, I get a business card. Vistaprint, $25 plus a couple bucks shipping. I go to GoDaddy and find a fun domain name, in my case, joincory.com. I have GoDaddy for free, forward it to this page. And it goes right to that link at the top left of your screen. You're going to have this exact link except with your username. Send people to this page. Let them watch the video. You can put whatever you want there where it says Cory Draper's website. Just put whatever. I put my name. I think there's value in having CoryDraper.com. Join Cory. All right. It's Cory Draper's website, as you can see. All right. People join people, and I'm a big believer in that. Every person that signs up with me, I always email them and tell them exactly what I do to kick butt and take names. But I like to know, why'd you join me? out of all the other people that might be promoting this opportunity. And they just said, hey, you know, I feel like I know you from watching your videos, and I see you're posting on social media some fun things besides Live Good. Or I like your emails. You write me like you're a friend. Okay? That's my advice. I mean, I'll go the rest of my life as long as I do online business. I'm going to promote the same way every day. Be as real as possible. Even if you're tired, tell people in a video. If you don't want to do video, then let this one right here in the center of your screen do all the recruiting and everything for you. I want you to realize this. I don't want you to be a teacher. I don't want you to be a guru. I want you to be a marketer. I want you to get real good at inviting people to the link I just showed you. That's all I want you to do. Let the website work its charm. All the ingredients, the products. Every product has a 3-month, 90-day guarantee, guys. All right, all the customer service, the shipping, the handling, everything has tracking. There's nothing for you to do. All you got to do is join, kick back, get a beverage, get a hot chocolate, get a coffee, or get a drink, and just get real good at one thing first, like TikTok, Instagram. All right, maybe you want to email where you don't have to do anything like that. Or if you want to put on a webcam or look in your cell phone, you can do what I'm doing right now and just kind of talk for a few minutes. You don't have to do 11 minutes like I've been talking. You can do 15 seconds. Hey guys, this is Cory. Check out joincory.com. I think this is a cool opportunity you might like. Thanks for your time. I'm serious. I've signed up probably 100 people in 15 words because people appreciate, like, it's not the massive email that takes 10 years to read. Sometimes people just want to click, and in 10 to 15 seconds, they can sit behind their steering wheel in their car and just watch the video. They can get at home and maybe have a bowl of cereal and just sit there and go through their emails and maybe watch my video that says, watch this video. So my video is 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Then they watch the Live Good video, which is ingenious. That one right there. That's all you need. It's signed up 1.8 million people. I have no doubt that we're going to have probably 10, 20, 30, 40 million people over the next 5 to 10 years, just like Amazon and all the other great companies out there. We're $10 a month. Everybody can afford Live Good. That's why we're so darn successful worldwide. We're in over 200 countries, guys. 1.7 million people. This is insane. We're doing over 15 million in sales wholesale. All right, just out of Jupiter, Florida. Distribution centers going up all over the world so that your products can get there faster and cheaper if you live in Asia. All right, over there. There's a ton of countries and people over there. And Africa's kicking buns. All right, how about the UK? Even above me in Canada. All right, Mexico, and right here in good old America where I live, okay? This is a pretty cool company. You got $49 and 95 pennies. This is something you should look into, okay? I'll do the best I can to give you the best information or the best video or the best content. Even if you join my email campaigns, guys, I have 150 free emails I'll give you and the subjects that get those emails open, okay? I'll do everything I can to help you duplicate because that's the trick to Live Good. Sure, it's nice to get people to sign up with you, but you need to help. I need to help you duplicate. That's the whole mission, okay? I just want you to get set up, get comfortable with Live Good, and then start inviting people to click a link to watch a video, okay? All right, guys, thanks for the last 14 minutes of your life. All right, if you don't mind, if I can show you just my card one more time. Sometimes it's easy just to visualize, but if you're not in Live Good, go to joincory.com. All right, check it out. All right, and then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. I'm not shy. If I can help you through an email, go ahead, guys. It might take me a little, I don't know, could take me an hour, could take me a minute, might take me a day to get back with you, but I will, okay? I promise you that. I always make time for people. So, okay, guys, thanks again, and I hope you join Live Good. Join Cory.com right now. Thanks, guys.